Hello, in this video we're going to look at the willingness to pay for insurance. So let's say Jill has an income of $160,000. There's a 1% chance she'll get sick and incur $60,000 of medical bills. Jill's utility function is given by utility equals the square root of her income, so I is her income. What is Jill's maximum willingness to pay for insurance that covers her $60,000 loss if she gets sick? The highest price she is willing to pay for insurance, we're going to call that P, is solved by finding the price in which she is indifferent between buying insurance and not buying insurance. That condition will be given by the following. The expected utility with insurance equals her expected utility without insurance. So just rewriting that condition, we're going to set the expected utility with insurance equal to the expected utility without insurance. So what is our expected utility with insurance? So on the left-hand side, and remember here, P is going to be the price of insurance, and her utility function is given by I, or income raised to the 1/2 power, just the square root of income. So with insurance, she's going to have $160,000 of wealth, but she has to pay for it. So we're going to subtract that price for insurance from her wealth or income. And this 1/2 is just coming from the utility function. So that's the left-hand side. This is her expected utility with insurance. Her expected utility without insurance, well, there's a 99% chance she will not get sick. And in that case, she will have $160,000 of income. And that $160,000, again, we want to take the square root of it because that's just the functional form of the utility function. However, there's a 1% chance that she'll incur $60,000 of medical expenditures. So her income or wealth in this case will be our $160,000 minus $60,000. And again, all of that is raised to the 1/2 power. So all we need to do now is just solve this equation for P. So simplifying, the square root of 160,000 is 400. The square root of 100,000, right here, this is going to be 100,000, is 316.23. Multiplying 0.99 times 400 and multiplying 0.01 times 316.23, we get the following. Adding up the values on the right-hand side. And now I'm going to square both sides, get rid of this 1/2 power here. So squaring both sides, 399.16 squared gives us this result. And now just solving for price, $671.30. That is the maximum Jill would be willing to pay for full coverage insurance that would cover her $60,000 loss if she were to get sick. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful.